Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to show you the Supples baby wipes. Basically I bought this from Amazon and it's quite cheaper than those regular wipes जो market में available होते हैं. So I bought this pack. It is of around 648 wipes pack. It is 72 wipes in one pack and it is around 9 packets. So that makes some around 648 wipes. So I got this at a very good price, which is quite decent and comparative to other those wipes which are available in market. It is quite cheaper. So I'm going to unbox this for you. So let me show you what is inside the box. I was actually opening it. Okay. So these are the wipes which are available. It comes into this packing of Amazon. So it's a good packing. I guess it's a direct packing from Supples only. There is no any other packing from Amazon because it's already coming with this carton. And I have a bill over here. So okay, I'm gonna show you those wipes. So it's Supples baby wipes. It's a packet of 72 wipes. You can check out the size of it. It is 150 mm by 200 mm. I repeat, it is 150 mm by 200 mm. Okay, it's a baby wipes and it is not having any other opening. It is just a sticker only. So you just have to open it and it is like this. Okay. Okay. So there's a wipe. It's a good wipe. The print rate is 129. Okay, it's 129 and the manufacturing is February 2021. So and it's around 2 years expiry. Good packet, good wipes. Okay, so it is having 9 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. Okay, so now the 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 and 9. Okay, so now these total actually cost me around 0.83 paisa for per wipe, and if I compare it to other regular wipes, not those premium one, the regular price they cost around 1 rupees 12 paisa, 1 rupees 13 paisa, and in our regular day-to-day uses these cost very much actually. So 0.83 paisa is quite cheaper for the regular use for your baby. So I got this in a deal. So it was around 545 rupees for this whole packet. For this 648 wipes. The one pack contains, I repeat, the one packet contains 7. Okay, I'm gonna show you one wipe actually, how's the quality and everything. Okay, so let me open this and check out the quality of this wipe. It's quite decent, like yes, it's quite decent. Look at the water quality, the water content. It's good. Yeah, it's worth the price, I would say. Yeah, definitely it's worth the price. 0.83 paisa for per wipe. I think it's good. It's definitely good. 0.83 paisa for per wipe. It's quite decent for regular wipes for the baby, like for daily toilet, like for potty and every cleaning for baby. It's quite good. Yes, definitely. The water content is good and not so much watery and not so much dry. It's quite okay. Yeah, but of course you cannot compare it with those the premium wipes which are actually available into the market. But again, yes, definitely if I compare it to other, I would not name those brands, but the thing I can hint you is about those regular which are available on the market or some medical stores, like they are giving it at the cost of 100 rupees for 3 packets, which is around 90 wipes. So if I compare it from those wipes, it is actually quite good. So yes, definitely you should go for it. Yeah, thank you. For any other baby products, I will keep updating on my channel, and if you really like those contents which are related to baby products and everything, definitely please subscribe my channel. Thank you so much.